Not just a jacket, a force. The Blizzard forged from raw cowhide, built for riders who demand strength, style, and unstoppable performance. Crafted from soft, naked touch cowhide, 1.4 to 1.5 millimeters thick, strong enough to protect, smooth enough to impress. The mandarin collar with stripe detailing sharp, bold, and unmistakably modern. A perforated action back with a modern fit, giving you freedom of movement without losing the edge. Engineered ventilation side zippers at the bottom, 2 sleeve vents, 2 front vent pockets, and 4 underarm eyelet vents keep the ride cool. Utility meets style with 4 outside pockets. Ride stronger. Reinforced shoulder support and stretch panels built for comfort and control. All-season performance. A zip-out insulated liner for warmth and a heavy mesh inner liner for breathability. Heavy snaps and duty-built zippers guarantee reliability. This is more than gear. This is the Blizzard designed for riders who live the road, not just ride it. Gear up for the ride. Shop now at danielsmartmfg.com.